What if I told you that in the next 48 hours, you could set up a system that pays you while you're asleep? And no, I'm not talking about crypto gambling or get-rich-quick scams. A few years ago, I was broke, overworked, and convinced that passive income was only for rich people. But then, one Saturday morning, I tried one simple idea, and 3 months later, I was making more from it than my full-time job. The crazy part? I wasn't even working on it anymore. Today, I'm going to share 5 passive income streams you can start this weekend. The same kinds of streams ordinary people are quietly using to earn thousands every month. Sell digital products on Etsy. Imagine creating something once and getting paid for hundreds of times. That's exactly what happens with digital products. People sell printables, planners, resume templates, even wall art. You design them once using free tools like Canva, upload to Etsy, and let the marketplace bring you customers. No shipping, no inventory, just sales coming in while you sleep. Stock photography and videos. Your phone is a money-making machine. You just don't know it yet. Every day, businesses and content creators pay for stock images and videos. You can take everyday lifestyle shots, coffee cups, laptops, city streets, upload them to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, and get paid every time someone downloads them. Do the work once, and those photos earn for years. YouTube automation. You don't have to be famous to make money on YouTube. In fact, you don't even have to show your face. Faceless YouTube channels use voiceovers, stock footage, and simple editing to create videos that get thousands, sometimes millions, of views. Once a video is out there, it keeps earning ad revenue and affiliate commissions without you lifting a finger. Affiliate marketing. Ever recommended a product to a friend? Imagine getting paid every time you did that. With affiliate marketing, you share links to products you love, and when someone buys, you earn a commission. People post reviews, tutorials, or even just social media content with these links. Set it up once, and you can earn from those links for years. Ebook publishing. Books aren't just for authors anymore. With Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, anyone can write a short guide or ebook and start selling it worldwide in days. Write it once, upload it, and every time someone buys, you get royalties. I've seen people make steady monthly income from a single 40-page guide they wrote years ago. The magic of passive income is that it compounds. You put in the effort now, and the rewards keep coming long after. But none of these streams work unless you actually start. Pick one this weekend, commit a few hours, and watch what happens. Which of these would you start first? Drop in the comments. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now.